4 people charged over vehicle fired at Chivayo, Tagwirei and Mangagwa offices. Sanabena mashoko obuda panapa atona kuti all the 4 suspects are from Chitungwiza. Voya panapa accused kunzi ndo vakakonzesa mabombings aiwa akaitika aiwa towards my 31st of March protest. Not subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipila panapa mnamubuda nyoga muchinzi. 4 men appeared in court Wednesday, charged with malicious damage to property after allegedly trying to burn down properties owned by ZANU-linked businessmen on March 28, 2025. Last Matarutse, 40, Abeu Job, 47, Kizito Chinanga, 40, and Thomas Chanetsa, all of Chitukwiza, were not asked to plead when they appeared before a magistrate, Marijuana Zogofa. They were remanded in custody after being advised to seek bail at the High Court. The 4 allegedly drove vehicles and set them on fire outside the offices of Tendapenyo Wikino Chivayo, petroleum tycoon Kudakwashe Tagwirei, a DA petrol station allegedly linked to Tagwirei, and a business complex belonging to Kuvimba Mining CEO John Makuchka in Goromonzi. The events came hours after war veteran Blessed Geza named Tagwirei and Chivayo as criminals around the president. The National Prosecuting Authority says on March 28, 2025, at about 2:15 a.m., Matarutse, with intent to destroy the premises of AMC Communications company located at 42 Lanag Road, Avondale, drove his silver Toyota Corolla to the premises. Upon arrival, he allegedly parked his vehicle at the entrance gate and set it on fire, intending to destroy the entire building owned by Chivayo. The fire damaged to the lighting system and a signpost inscribed Starlink Authorized Dealer. It is alleged that on the same day, Job went to Zanu complex in Goromonzi driving a blue Nissan Sunny, which he parked outside. It is allegedly that his intention was to burn the complex and he set his vehicle on fire. This vehicle exploded but nothing was damaged. Thomas wanobuda panapa atirikuona kuti these guys ndoro accused kuti ndo vakakonzeresa aiwa mabombing nekufaiwa kwemotikari dzakaitiwa mapremises aiwa emabusiness tycoons nevari kunzi matendapreneurs vari kunzi vari linked kandi vari corruptly linked kune mutungamiri wenyika. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi mina comment section medu. Tudze mafungiro enyu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.